Hey everybody, I'm Dinosaur, and I'm going to be teaching you how to use the keyboard relay and the stop master. The keyboard relay and the stop master are designed to take a MIDI output from a device such as an external MIDI keyboard and turn that into redstone signals so you can play a pipe organ in Minecraft. So, how do you use it? So the first thing you need is a set of wind chests, all set up with an encased fan being powered by some form of rotational power. I use a creative motor because I'm in creative. The wind chest controller needs to have power, and you need to ensure that your wind chests are facing with the arrow towards the wind chest controller. Next, you get some sort of pipe and set up your organ however you want it. This is just for testing purposes. Next, you take your redstone link, put them attached to the wind chest so they'll power. Set the redstone links to receiving mode. Your next step is to take a keyboard relay and set it down in front of the organ or wherever you want to put it. Now you're going to take your stop master, click the keyboard relay, put the stop master down. You can put some form of item in this filter and in the red frequency dots on the transmitter. The next step is to refer to the chart that I'm showing on the screen now to ensure you get the right notes to display the correct output. So for example, when pressing the note middle C on your keyboard, the block to go into the blue section of the redstone link would be a piece of light blue glazed terracotta. So you're going to put that into the second frequency input. And now, finally, you need to press this symbol on your keyboard to open the MIDI device input configuration. Now I have an external MIDI keyboard, so I'm going to go to the output here and then click the save icon. Now I need to stand really close to the keyboard relay, right click it, and now anytime I play middle C, that note will sound. Now you continue with the rest of the device. Here's my example test organ. Right now I have a couple ranks set up. Here I have it set up so that redstone links have their own separate frequencies, and each frequency corresponds to a transmitting side. So whenever I power the wind chest controller with a redstone link, here on this lever, it turns on the whole chest. And then I just stand really close to my keyboard relay, right click it, and I play on my MIDI keyboard.